Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to create captivating Instagram icons for your Instagram page. Right now, the world is digital and everyone needs to have an attractive Instagram page to get ahead. So I'm going to use Canva to create a simple yet attractive Instagram icon for your stories. So let me get into it. These are examples that I created for a client, and I'm going to start from scratch. Let's see, the background is white. First off, the dimensions. There's an Instagram icons dimension here. Instagram story is 1080 by 1920 px. You just click this, it's taken to a page, and what you want your background to look like on your IG story page, choose whatever color you want. So I'm going to choose deep blue. I like the blue. Then you go to elements and look for a circle, because Instagram icons are circles, and choose this. I don't know why it's default green. You can increase the size a little bit, or you can leave it that way. I'll increase it a little bit, and you can change the icon color to whatever you want. I like white, and that's it. You can add text, but on Canva it's easier to just click on the page and type. Not even type, just press the key T and it comes out, and it can be business, I don't know, whatever you want it to be. Maybe business, and you can change the color to white. You can change the fonts to whatever you like. You can change to Hussar bold, but you do in a way that it must not appear. Like I like open source. You do in a way that it must not appear in the icon page. You only want to see the circle in it. But just to target, you put a business down. Leave a little space, a little gap in between these two slots, and then you just go to elements and type business. Very simple. A lot of business themed icons. These are pro. I know most of you prefer free, so let me just apply a filter for free. These are free business templates. If you want suitcase, you put a suitcase in there. You can increase the size like this. The white can become black. The black can become white, or you leave it like this. Simple, very chic, modern. And once these four things come together, it means that it's perfectly placed in the middle. So yes, this is it. All you do is just download it, PNG, page 9, and that is pretty much it. 58.1 kilobytes. Open the file, and that's it. So this is how Instagram story will look like. I will show you how it appears on a page by uploading it to my Instagram page. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to show you how it is applied through my phone. So this is my phone right now. I've already uploaded it by desktop. I want to do it by my phone. So this is how I'm doing it. Business, typed it in, and add. And that's it. So this is how it will look on the default side. See the blue background on it? That's how it looks. But if you want to take out the blue background and want only the white to show, this is what you have to do. Go to edit, go to edit cover, and use your two fingers to just spread it. Try to get it perfect. I'm trying to get it perfect here. Try and I keep tweaking and tweaking. I just want it to fit perfectly, and when I'm done, I click done, and that's how it looks. Let me show you how it will look this is how it looks on my story. It's obvious I haven't done it for most of my icons, but this is the first one I'm doing. And now it shows business. This is my tab. So if I want a minimalist page, that's how I'll do it. Thank you very much.